Hi, this is Stephanie from Manly's Library. Welcome to this video demonstration for making a tin can lantern. Your kit will contain a can, some nails, candles, a pattern, and you'll need a towel, a hammer, scissors, tape, and a marker. First, fill your can with water and allow it to freeze overnight. For my lantern, I cut out the star shape and traced it onto the can with a marker. Another method you can try is to tape the pattern onto the can itself, or create your own pattern. Okay, now using a nail and a hammer, carefully make holes along the pattern. You'll find that the nail goes through the tin can pretty easily. I sped up this part of the video just to give you an idea of my process, but I actually don't hammer this quickly. The last step is to rinse the can under some hot water so that you can get the ice out. And I used oil and baking soda to clean off the marker. Now your tin can lantern is ready to use. Let us know in the comments how well your can worked out, and feel free to send us an image to share on our social media. Thanks for watching.